Hey, sup guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to cook something healthy, something special that you're gonna love. Let's just quickly jump into the ingredients. First of all, require some olive oil, around 1 tablespoon. Then we require cumin seeds, some garlic, some ginger stem, then celery. Celery would be an optional part. Then we required some spinach, some mushrooms, around 7 to 8 pieces, then some mint leaf for a refreshing and soothing taste, then chicken that would be marinated and around 250 grams, then coconut chunk that would again be an optional part, then some salt and spices as per your taste. So let's just start. So here we can see that we have already chopped some mushrooms, coconut, some celery and mint along with ginger and garlic. Along with that we have marinated some around 250 grams of chicken and spinach. Then we have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Then we have a non-stick pan on the gas. Then we'll just switch on the burner and we'll just heat up the pan. Once the pan is heated up, we'll transfer some olive oil into the pan. Just a bit of olive oil. Now let the oil be heated up, be warm enough to grease the pan, move it all over the pan so nothing sticks to the base. Now as the oil is warm, we'll put some cumin seeds into the oil and let them roast. Once you get some fragrance of roasted cumin, you can put ginger and garlic into the oil. Let ginger and garlic be roasted. It would leave out some nice fragrance. This is the most soothing fragrance that adds flavor to the food. Apart from this ginger garlic chop, you can use ginger garlic paste, but the whole ginger garlic food gives much effective taste. Then we just put some mushroom into the pan. Oops, one mushroom fell down. We'll keep it aside and we'll keep tossing so the mushroom doesn't get stick to the base or doesn't get overcooked from one side only. Keep stirring it, tossing it. Now we'll add some celery leaves along with some stems. Just move it. Stir it, toss it. You can see whole oil is absorbed in those mushrooms and garlic. That was even less than 1 tablespoon. Since we are making a healthy dish, now we put that chopped spinach into the pan and stir it. So to mix it with another ingredient, mix all the flavors all together, bind all the flavors all together. In no time you will see that spinach will leave its water and reduce in the quantity. Now I have added some mint for the refreshing taste. Just stir it well, mix everything, mix all the ingredients. Keep it moving. Now it's time to add the most important ingredient, or chicken. Transfer the chicken into the pan. Mix it up with another ingredient so to mix all the flavors together. Chicken by its own have some water, so you need not to panic if there is less moisture in the pan. Your chicken will automatically release its moisture and won't allow your food to get burned up. Now we added some coconut chunks into our recipe. This is an optional ingredient. You can use coconut, grated coconut or coconut milk instead of chunks. So to avoid the chewiness, if you want, it's steaming up. The flavors are occupying my room. So mostly the dish is ready, but as per your taste, you can add salt and spices to the dish. I won't be adding much of salt to this dish because it is a post-workout low sodium meal. In fact, you can squeeze a whole lemon into it. It would give it a fantastic taste. I was not having one, that's why I didn't. But you can. Just keep it stirring so it doesn't stick to the base. See, the water from the chicken is coming out, and all the juices from spinach, from mint, from chicken, they are getting mixed up well, so to give a mouth-watering taste. With the steam that is getting up, see, we have added some salt. Just mix it up. Well, the fragrance rising up from the dish is just mouth-watering. I'm already hungry enough to wait more, but it's almost done. Let's just transfer it into a bowl and taste it. It's awesome. All the flavors have mixed well. Okay friends, that's all for now. Let's just meet in another video where I'll come back with some new recipe, more tasty, more healthy. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Eat healthy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.